Hello friends, this is data modeling part 1 video. In this video, we are going to learn what is data modeling, why data modeling is important, and how to make a good data model. Keep watching this video. What is data modeling? In our Power BI, data modeling is a process of creating a structure of your data that allows you to analyze it effectively. It involves below task and create a data model. Below tasks are there in the screen, bringing all the data together, organizing it into tables, define the relationship between the tables. With the help of these activities, we are going to get a data model. Key aspects of data modeling. Three key aspects are there: table, relationships, and star schema. Table. Your data is organized into table similar to a spreadsheet. Each table represents a specific category of data like customers, product, and sales. Relationship. You define relationship between tables based on common field. This allows Power BI to understand how the data in different tables is connected to each other. Star schema. A recommended approach to data modeling in Power BI is the star schema. I will explain very deeply in upcoming videos in which we are going to know what is fact table and what is our dimension table. Okay, in star schema you have a central fact table containing measurable data surrounded by dimension table containing descriptive attribute. Okay, few activities we are performing while doing the data modeling, like creating conceptual representation of data, define relationship between data table entity, and define rule and constant. Rule and constant is also very important thing because we are going to create some default values of primary key, foreign key kind of thing. Outcome of the data modeling, what we are going to achieve when we are using this data modeling process. The data modeling process activity help us to create blueprint to storing data, processing data, analyzing the data, defining relationship between the data, creating columns and measures which we are going to use in our report and visualizer, creating hierarchy and filter with the help of which we are going to filter our data over the visualizer or over the dashboard or report. Why data modeling is important, why it comes into the picture when we are working with Microsoft Power BI. Usability. A clear data model makes report dataset easier to understand, navigate, filter for other user. Performance. An optimized data model allows for fast report loading and smoother data analysis, especially when you are working with a large dataset. Accuracy. Defining relationship between tables helps ensure data consistency and reduce the risk of error in your report. With the help of data modeling, we will get clarity over to organize the data integrity to ensuring data consistency and accuracy, efficiency by improving load time, data retrieval time, and the query performance. Scalability to handle large volume of data set, data record, or reports. Flexibility, adopt the changes required. Whenever you want to change anything in between working with the data sets, you can easily make the changes. How to achieve a good data model? There is no any rule to make a good data models, but few important points we have to focus. I have collected 6 important points on which we are going to work. First, understand your data. It is good to understand your data sources, its connectivity, and the kind of data it's contain, and the relationship between other tables. Smaller data model. It is good to break down your big data set into few small data set. It will help us to make the changes if required and easy to handle all those. Start with right schema. For Power BI, it is recommended to use star schema in which we are going to work with dimension table and fact table. Define relationship between the tables. It is good to define um, primary key, foreign key relationship between the tables which help us to achieve the consistency and accuracy of the data. Consider a date table. It is good to create a separate date table to while creating your report or visualizer. It will help you a lot. Optimize and cleanness. It is good to remove all the errors from your data. It is good to remove all the blank cells and the empty cells you are getting in your report. So these all are the 6 points which help us to achieve a good data model. Thank you for watching this video. Please watch the previous videos for more clarification and visit our website www.clearcatnet.com.